what a boring day. Maybe I'll just watch some TV.
4th of July. I bet you forgot about it. You were late. But don't worry, because we have last-minute fireworks sale.
Oh boy, 4th of July. Completely forgot. I gotta go get fireworks. Where's Bill? Alright, Daisy, I'm back. Where were you? It's 4th of July, remember? Oh yeah, completely forgot. Thought it was Mexican for a second. Cinco de Libre. Sure. I got fireworks. Look at these. Cool Breeze, Game Mode, and jalapeno popper. I don't know what that one is, and I'm concerned that it's gonna, like, explode with tacos or something, but, you know, we'll be fine. Wow! Oh, hey, Mason! Hey, Mom, hey, Dad. Ooh, nice jalapeno popper fireworks. Is it gonna explode with tacos? I'm scared it will. Oh, that sucks. Anyways, you guys know Carlitos, right? Unfortunately, I do. Is it okay if he can do fireworks with us? He's never had a 4th of July before. Oh, that would be lovely. No, it would not be lovely. He doesn't belong here. He's illegal. Get the Bill. What did he just say? He said he doesn't. I don't even know, to be honest. Yes, we would love to have your little Carlos Taco Marcus Enrique friend to stay here with us. His name is Carlitos, but you know that's fine. Oh, libre. Oh, I get it now. You made that one. See. What did he just say? He said yeah. Oh, you did make that one. So are you legal? Puta. Okay, that just happened. I got jumped by a Mexican. Alright, you guys want to do fireworks? Heck yeah. Let's go, Carlitos. Yeah, take your Marco friend out of here. God. Why is he friends with such weird people? Whatever, let's just go do these fireworks. Crushing them. Daisy, just America. Good thing we don't live in Mexico. Look again. Shut up. Alright, guys, who's ready for some awesome fireworks? Me! Are there gonna be drugs? There will be no drugs. It's not gonna be fried chicken. Alright, guys, let's go do the first firework. Okay, first one. Gotta run! Oh, I dropped it. Fuck. Looks like a boy's bathroom. Whoa, it looks like my drugs. Oh, libre. Alright, I'm gonna do this next one.
No, wait, Bill.
What?
Can I do it?
No, can't do it.
That's racist.
Why's it racist?
Hey, everybody, Bill's racist.
Okay. God, Jesus, okay.
Yay.
Do you even know how to do that?
No.
Do you want me to do it?
No. Go. But before we catch on fire.
Don't mention
Black.
Okay, run, button.
No.
Oh, okay. Didn't go off. Oh, I spoke way too soon.
So, does this look cool, Bill?
Yeah, it looks cool. Also looks like one free trip to the hospital.
Yay.
This sucks ass.
That's racist.
Your eyelid is all messed up. Oh my god. Oh, turn away for 1 second. Jesus Christ! What the fuck?
Is that how they make fried chicken?
I can't hear you.
Is that how they make?
That's not how they make fried chicken.
Yeah!
Well, Bill, that was awesome!
I've seen better.
Where have you seen better? The concentration camps?
Asshole.
Hey! I was kidding! It's a joke! Alright, I'm about to light the next one. Wait, Dad, isn't the last one the Mexican one? Yeah. No, you're not gonna light it. If you don't light it, you're gonna be considered racist. Fine, you can light it. Little illegal Mexican. see tacos. Nice. Good to get it. Good to... Be careful with that. Please don't burn down my house like you burned down Mexico. But to get to burn to you, bitch. How come all the foreigners... Ah, never mind! Jesus Christ, I was gonna say, how come all the... Okay. Taco Libre! Not Taco Libre! Not Taco Libre! God damn it! That's it? Of course the Mexican one is the shittiest one.
Bill, why was that shitty?
Hi, Bill.
What?
Now, how come that one sucked ass? That one sucked. You can blame this little enchilada right here. Enchilada? No! You are the enchilada! Dad, don't be mean to him just because he's Mexican. Is that why you're being mean to him? Yes! In fact, that is! I'm racist. I only like white people. But you're yellow. You're right. Oh, God. Oh, God! Jefferson, what is going on?
Why are you yellow? Well, what's going on is you need plastic surgery to look like me. Come on.
World's a lie! Happy 4th of July. Maybe I can eat an apple pie.
Hi, Bill.
What? Maybe I should eat... What rhymes with that?
You ruined the rhyme, Darrington.
Wait. Maybe I should take a pee.
What the fuck? Happy 4th of July, everyone. Now, I'm not going inside because my back hurts. Maybe because gotta take a shit. Oh, that's my 4th of July shit. That's what I get for eating 10 cheeseburgers.